here's the basic concept of mind-muscle connection, and here's how I'm going to put it for you. If you guys watched any of my guides for the compound exercises that I've put up on YouTube, you'll notice that there's a key trend that I talk about, and that's keeping your muscles and your body stiff and tight. Whether you're squatting, you're squeezing your scapula together, and you're engaging your core, and you're tightening that before you go into the rep, you take a deep breath, and then you go into the squat. You're deadlifting, you engage before you start to do the press with your legs. You tighten your shoulders together, you put your chest out, you straighten your back, and you look up, and then you pull. Or with your bench press, tighten your scapula, you get your foundation, you engage your lats, you squeeze everything together, and then even as you're going through the bench press, you're holding the bar and you're trying to turn it and bend it in half as you're going through the rep. Everything is tight. Nobody shows up to the fucking gym and does curls like this, with our arms flinging around like the marketing balloons in front of the auto parts store. You want everything tight. You're moving with a purpose and you're engaging everything. That's the first part of your mind-muscle connection. The second part of your mind-muscle connection should be when you train a body part, your mind should literally be focused on squeezing and flexing that muscle and forcing as much blood and energy into that muscle as you possibly can. Look at it, love it, engage it. This is your best fucking friend right now. And you tell your bicep mentally that I am going to make you suffer. And so when you go through this movement of the curl, you've got your entire arm, your forearm, everything's tight. And you come up through that curl and you flex, and then when you get to the top, you squeeze that fucker like you want it to pop. And you look at it, and that's how you do it, going through every rep. And you don't have to get kicked out of Planet Fitness with the fucking alarm going off. This guy is way too fucking jacked for us. You need to leave, sir. That's your mind-muscle connection. I am literally focusing all of my mental energy and everything that I have into the development of that body part. You literally feel that muscle flexing. And over time, what happens is you know what it feels like for every single muscle in your body to engage. And that, paired with good form, is what's going to make your muscles explode with growth and development. But think about if you do a side lat raise like this. You get your position, and you've got your form in correctly, you come up and you raise those dumbbells, and then when you get to the top, you're thinking about your traps, you're thinking about your side delts, and you're squeezing them together, and you're going through that motion, you're squeezing them together every time. If you guys are watching this, try that movement that I just did 5 times, and I fucking guarantee you, you will immediately start feeling a burn in your traps and your delts without any weight. Now take that same exact concept and put weight onto it. That's how we're getting big. That's how we're getting strong. I'm not getting strong going like this. I'm getting strong by focusing. And really repping it out. Putting my mind and all of my energy into that muscle group. That, my friends, is what mind-muscle connection is.